car. Homie John in the car club is doing it, so I'm about to meet up with him. I'm at Lowe's right now, and I'm about to try to attempt to make this. So I'm going to see how this goes. If I was John and the homie John right here, man. So the king right here, the king. I was happy to go here because I was looking at your shit and I was like, oh, I gotta make me one too, bro.
Aisle 33.
All right. Do you buy the box here too, or something like that?
In the box.
Like how you cut the cardboard?
I had cardboard at home. I'm not sure how much aluminum you'll need, but
Shit.
we gotta mock it up, cardboard, and then like I mocked it up.
This guy.
And then basically put it as close together as I can.
Okay.
And then measured it, and then I'm gonna cut it out of aluminum.
What the fuck? He's a G. You know what? He does everything. This guy does everything.
Everything's on my own.
Everything. Hey, you know what's funny? Like I told you, I seen that one dude. He made his, and when I seen that Wakefest, bro, it looked like legit splitter.
Bro, I know. Out of ABS plastic.
What?
But I don't like plastic because it'll crack and warp and shit.
Oh shit.
And aluminum is stronger and
Oh yeah, buddy.
it
So
doesn't weigh much.
John is a G, man. He was posting this in the chat, and I was like, you know what? Because I was about to go all the way spend like almost $300 on one.
Yeah, fuck that.
Fuck that. We could just do this.
I do everything on mine.
John is a fucking G. John is a fucking G. Now I gotta see how much this shit costs.
It's supposed to be like $60. What?
All right, so now we have to go to a different Lowe's. There's another one that's like 10 minutes away from this location. We're gonna go to the Lowe's. He got his Duramax, so we're gonna go there. We gotta go get some metal sheet. I forgot the name of it, but I'll let you guys know when we get there. This store only has one, and it's like $49.90 some shit. So after that, then we're going to stop at Walmart to go buy some rods. And the rods is going to, you know, we got to mount it on our bumper to the splitter, because that's going to keep the splitter from not ripping off the bumper or anything like that. So I'm about to go meet up with him. He's going to follow me to my house as we go to the stores. And yeah, it's going to be dope. And I'm like, why spend hella money on a splitter when I can make my own? And John came up with that. We're gonna see how this goes, but I gotta find out where he's at. Where is he at? So, about to drive to my house, and I'm about to literally change my pants. I still got my work gear on, or I might just leave it on. But we're about to go to Walmart and grab the materials that we need, and then we should be good. All right, so we left Lowe's. We got the aluminum. He got one, I got one.
Yours was 32, mine was 36.
Oh shit.
It don't even make sense.
It doesn't make sense.
Oh
yeah, it did, yeah. So
dude, bringing
got
both
this-
up, he's like, different SKUs?
Right.
Weird.
We both bought the same items. Mine was $32.
It said $50.
And it said $50. So I'm like, oh shit, I'm gonna take a hit. But my shit came up to 32 and his came up to like 36, I think. 36, right?
Do shit on your fucking own.
Yeah. So
$300 to buy a splitter? Fuck that. I make mine up for $30.
Literally, bro. Literally.
Yeah, I watched it.
So now we got that.
Bro, even ABS plastic is like, for the sheet size we need, like $120.
And it's trash, and it's plastic on top of that.
My car's too low for plastic.
So
Scraping everywhere.
we got this. Now we just gotta order the splitter rods, and then we good. But he already done his shit. I'm gonna show you how his looks so far. I gotta get started on mine because I just kept looking at the fucking images he kept sharing with everybody. I was like, you know what, this shit looks dope. And I thought about Cuzzo did this too. I was like, you know what, I gotta do mine because I need a splitter. That's my whole thing. I was trying to get a splitter ASAP, and I think this is really key. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how it looks, the aluminum, show you what he got, and I'm gonna end this video, and then stay tuned for the next one. This is part 1, but we got another part to go.
Part 2.
So the whole thing is, I want to show you guys that you don't have to go out there and spend $300 to, or anywhere from $200 to $2,000 on a goddamn splitter. And this has been something I wanted to do for a long time, was get a splitter, like I've been, like I've been doing on the video, just showing you guys, telling you guys that I'm gonna be getting a splitter, blah 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 blah. But today's the day. We might as well make our own. You know what I'm saying? All the parts that I paid for so far, I spent $32. Literally, people is out there buying splitters from $200 to $2,000, and I'm basically getting mine for like the total of probably $40 overall. So yeah, it's super sick. I just want to influence everybody that, look, you can do shit on your own. You don't have to go out there and go order shit, and you can customize how you want your splitter to look. I want mine to look very, very, very fucking aggressive, and I think it's dope. I'm excited. I'm just being the creator and being the creative, you know what I'm saying? Doing something like this. So I'm excited to see how this come out. And his truck, I got the aluminum in there, so I'm gonna show you guys how it looks and where I got it from. We both got ours from Lowe's. You can either go to Lowe's or Home Depot and go pick yours up, or you probably can go to a different hardware store. I'm not sure, but I just know of Lowe's and Home Depot. But I'm excited. This is about to be super dope. I'm about to design the fuck out of this, and I want my splitter to look super mean and super aggressive. That's the whole goal with it, and I'm excited. I'm really excited about this. This is gonna be super epic, and I can't wait. I can't wait. And these are the aluminums that we got. We got 24 by 48, and these are very fucking sturdy. So yeah, so we got those, and he's making his splitter right now for his. These are so dope. I like those. Sick. Woo. Yeah, I love the canards on here. Huh? Your canards are sexy.
Yeah.
Those are hella sweet.
About to do the same thing where it's black on the top and on the side it's red.
Oh, that shit's sick. Oh yeah, that'd be dope. Oh yeah. Woo. sorry, before I end the video, I do want to tell you guys, it's going to be a serious, I'm going to make multiple videos of me making the splitter, because like I said, right now I have the aluminum, which is a hard material, which will work perfect. And then once I get the size cut out, then I'm gonna vinyl wrap it with black, and then on top of that, or I might do a carbon fiber wrap. So it all depends. But like I said, I'm gonna do sessions. I'm gonna do like another video of me getting the parts installed, and then that way I can show you guys how you can really do it. So this is one part, but the next part of the video, when I talk about the splitter, is going to be me installing it. So I have to put in an order today for the splitter rods that's going to connect to my bumper into the splitter that I'm custom making. And the whole goal, I want to custom make a splitter that's so fucking aggressive looking, but JDM style, not ricer looking, but really make an awesome splitter. I'm super excited. That was one of the things that was one of the reasons why I really didn't buy one, because I really want to make my own. I want to make it more special. I want to make the Flash really a special car, and I want to encourage everybody out there, look, you don't got to pay money to go out there and get a splitter. You can actually make your own. It takes time and labor, but it can happen, and it's not that hard. Honestly, it's not that hard. So, and I'm doing it for, so far I only spent like $32 so far, but I have to pay for the rods, and they go for anywhere from $5 to $20, I'm assuming, but I've seen some nice ones that I do like, and yeah, so it's going to be dope. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited too. I'm about to design the splitter, so the next video I will show you how I'm designing it and how it's going to look, and then when I install it. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I hope you guys are having a blessed day. We are out.